What's going on, guys? It's Garvin from Custom Gold Grillz. We're gonna go over the molding process today. What you wanna do is take a light and dark putty. You wanna mix it together for 30 seconds until it becomes one solid color. Now that's become one solid color, you wanna roll it up into a sausage, place it into the tray like this. You're gonna put the tray in your mouth, align it over your teeth, make sure to bite down hard, and don't move or talk while the tray is in your mouth to make sure we get a good impression. Now after 5 or 6 minutes, the putty will harden, and what you want to do is gently wiggle out the tray. A good impression will show the gum line just like this. Now wash the tray and rinse it off. Put it back in the Ziploc bag that came with your mold kit. Seal it in the prepaid box that came with your purchase, and then drop this off at your local post office. And that's how you do your molds. Check us out, guys, at Custom Gold Grillz.